Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to get this awesome clean look in your basically PC, your desktop, I don't know, but whatever you want to call it. As you can see, it looks kinda sick and I'm loving it, and you should get it too. And yeah, everything gonna be free except the animated wallpaper, which also gonna be free, but with a catch. And everything gonna be in the description. Yeah, all the links, everything. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments, and we'll respond as soon as possible. And just want to say that if you enjoy the video, please consider liking and subscribing because it will help us a lot. Anyway, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so a lot of people may actually have it like this. So yeah, I'll be starting out like this. Yes, you can see it looks terrible, and I don't want any of my viewers to have something like that because you're losing you're losing the fun. It's so ugly. Yeah, so I'm gonna be helping you. First, right click on your taskbar and just untick all of these unnecessary icons. You can see everything left. Now what you want to do is go to search, hidden. You can still search stuff, you can just type whatever you want and it will search it for you, just not gonna show the icon right there. Now what I need you to do is go to taskbar settings, as you can see right here, change this to always hide labels. Next, I want you to use small taskbar icons, buttons, and this is a preference, but after using it like so small, I can never get it back to big because I just love it having it like that. Yeah, I would recommend trying it. Go to colors, and I want you to use whatever color you want. I prefer this gray color because like it looks better. Now go to custom, and I'm gonna change this to dark because I think it looks better. So yeah, choose transparency effects. As you can see, so much better. Now what I want you to do is close this. So I'm gonna exit out of that, and I want you to open your browser, type Rainmeter. Rainmeter is like real simple. It's basically something that allows you to customize your desktop. You can do really cool designs like this one, but I can't be bothered to like actually learn how to do that stuff because it takes too much time. So I'm gonna like show you a simple one. What I want you to do now is click on download final and open it, accept everything, install it. If you have any problems, just feel free to ask them in the comments or just watch a video on how to download Rainmeter. Then I want you to download TaskBarX. As you can see right here, click on this, pull down until you find this. Download for Rainmeter skin. Download this. It's gonna be RM skin file. You just open it and it's gonna be here there. Any questions, just ask them in the comments. Just close out of that. Let me start up Rainmeter. As you can see, your taskbar looks so much better and cleaner. Everything already looks cool, and now to top it off, you can either just customize it with Rainmeter and get like a background that you want, it's animated, or you can just follow me. You want to go into here, type Steam. I want you to get Wallpaper engine. It's €4, cheap, like it's not that much, you can afford it, and that's basically the animated wallpapers. Either just buy this like I have done and support the developers, or you can of course go into steamunlocked.net, search here Wallpaper engine. By the way, this is educational only, and yeah, this site does not usually contain viruses. Like I haven't gotten a virus ever from this, nor do nor have my friends, but yeah, everything is on your own risk. And I do not take any responsibility if you get a virus from something that's cracked. So yeah, if you wanna download it, you can download it for here for free. Anyway, now you wanna start it up. As you can see, it launched. Really simple. It already looks like perfect. And now, like, I'm gonna show you some stuff about Wallpaper engine, because like that's the main thing to have everything look super cool. As you can see, it has some automated stuff, like the spaceman just goes up and down, and it has this weird thingy that he's kind of holding, and the stars from the backgrounds, holding stars. Anyway, there's a lot of stuff here. You can have something like this, which moves with your mouse. Yep. You can have something like this, which shows what time it is for you. In here, I'll show you more holes in CS. As you can see, it like showed the music or whatever, the audio. And I usually use this because it looks real cool. You can have a Razer bedroom, looks cool as well. Have like this, I don't know. The same thing, just like works with music as well. As you saw, like the lightings there work with music. I don't know, it's preference. You can use something like anonymous girl or something, like it has this trail behind the cursor, or you can make your own. So yeah, I don't know. Then you have like this, for example. As you can see, you can change everything. It looks kind of cool. You can go to settings and like change when you want the application to be running. Like, for example, like it's not gonna be animating, like it's gonna pause the wallpaper, so it doesn't take your like GPU and RAM and everything. I suggest you put those on pause and those on keep running, except if you want to, if your PC is super bad, then you have the quality. I have ultra because like I have a good PC, but I would recommend about medium or high and then customize it as much you want. Yeah, you can press OK. Exit out of that. You can go to workshop. Here you can like search whatever you want. I don't know. Or you can browse and find some wallpaper that you may like. And yeah, not gonna lie, everything looks cool in my opinion. And yeah, that's basically the tutorial, to be honest. As you can see, this does an animation. If you enjoyed the video, you can subscribe and like it. You can comment any questions or suggestions. We hope we helped you like make everything look better in your taskbar or background, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, hope to see you in another video. Bye bye.